Hey everyone, it's Andrew. This is going to be a review of the Hudson Hi-Fi anti-static brush, which is this brush right here. Before we begin, if you could hit the like and subscribe button, I appreciate it. A little bit of background. This brush I probably got about 1.5 years ago to help clean and maintain my vinyl records. What I was finding was even with the dust cover, I was getting dust on the vinyl records and would in turn get on the stylus so that the stylus would accumulate dust. It would impair the quality of the record and create a lot of static. And so I looked online, came across anti-static brushes, the carbon fiber one specifically, and came across the Hudson Hi-Fi one on Amazon and purchased it. And since then I've had almost little to no issues as far as dust on my records. What I do is I use this before I start playing it, as well as at the end of it before I switch over to the other side. And it helps prevent dust on the record as well as dust on the stylet, which is pretty nice. We'll just show kind of the basic features while it's zoomed in. Essentially it has the Hudson Hi-Fi label right here. It's a metal case on the major portion of it, and then it's got this handle that kind of just flips up like 360 degrees. It'll flip down and lock into place when it's closed, and then it'll flip up in this position so that you can lock it and use it. On the brushes itself, it's got 2 rows, as you can tell here, of carbon fiber brushes. They're probably about almost 1 centimeter long, and they're about the length of the typical record size. But that's it as far as the brush itself. It does work effectively for what I need out of it. And what I'll do now is just throw on a record and kind of show you how it works. I've got the Technica LP60. I haven't really bought anything else beyond that. But this is a good starter record or turntable if you're just getting into it. And then we'll just throw on Johnny Cash at Folsom Prison as far as the record. So what you do is you essentially throw on the record like you typically would. I always use this Turntable Weight. So this is the FEMELI weight. I got it on Amazon for probably about like $25, and it really helps with keeping the record flat and limits bowing, even if the record has prior damage, so it plays the music a little bit more consistently. And then what you want to do is essentially turn on the record. This will start playing automatically because you can't just like, it goes like start and turns on beforehand. And then there's a button here to raise it up. So what we'll do is just raise it up, keep it running. All right, and then for the brush itself, what you'll do is open it up to the open position with the handle, and then very gently, I'll show you kind of at an angle, you'll just essentially hold it and lightly press down. Don't apply too much pressure, and then slide it out to the outside. And then you'll do that again. And that's really all I'll do, okay? And that's really just maintaining prevention as far as getting dust and static. You won't really see much accumulate, but it really does make a difference on this. And then after that, you'll just let the record play, and it'll kind of do its thing. And obviously close this as far as preventing it. That's really it though, so if you have any questions or anything about it, definitely post them below. But it's a very straightforward product. It's a great addition if you've had a turntable and you haven't used before. Helps kind of eliminate the static and protect your records. I'll put a link to Amazon below on it, and that's really it. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like and subscribe button. Appreciate it. Bye.